This matting right here is cray.
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know, I can't believe that I have to record this video, and I feel like I say that in every video, but for sure in this video. So I recorded this about a week and a half ago, just kind of giving my thoughts, feedbacks on this hair. And thank God I did not post that because I was about to give y'all wrong advice. So by my current narrative, you can tell I'm gonna tell you, do not get this hair. This hair mats, and it is a matting that I have never seen before. Like the whole front of the closure is looking like, I don't even know. I can't even say it in words. That's how crazy it be looking. And I found two ways to basically wear this hair because I just got it. This is way one. You do the like little slick 2000 for the 1999 type look where, you know, slick back bangs, or you do what I'm about to show you. If you decide to get this hair out of my better judgment and your better judgment, I don't know what to tell you because I just would not get this hair. And when I initially, my original response was like, girl, you can handle the matting. You need to get this hair. And then I thought about it. I'm like, wait, I've only had this hair for 6 weeks. Literally 6 weeks. No hair should be matting the way it's matting in 6 weeks. It just doesn't make any sense. What's it gonna look like in 6 months? This shit's gonna look crazy. It's gonna be bald because I constantly have to detangle the front. It's just gonna look crazy. So yeah, just don't do it. Just don't do it. I am on the quest to find like the perfect curly hair. I do think it's out there. It has to be out there, but this ain't it. Do not get this hair. If you don't remember anything from this video, remember to not get this hair. Like, do not, just don't do it. So yeah, keep on watching to see how I fix my matting. And again, temporary AF, but this is what I do when I want to wear the hair. But honestly, until I get a new wig, I'm doing the slick back. Like, put some gold bobby pins. I'm really a fan of that, and just keep it pushing because I just don't have the time to be looking crazy. I can't. Like, that's the reason why I wear wigs. Like, I wear wigs so I don't have to do my hair. So I don't have to be late for shit. And I'm late for shit because I have to detangle this shit. Like, no, it's not a thing. It's not a vibe. So yeah, that was a little mini rant. Okay, keep on watching. Okay, so it's been a rather long week. This hair gets big, y'all. Like, it gets super, super big. And it's starting to matte again. It's really difficult to see on camera, but this part, and I'm gonna try and like insert pictures, is a rat's nest. It is a rat's nest. And like I said earlier, giving my disclaimer, this is a temporary fix. It is a temporary solution, a temporary mask. You will have to do this occasionally to basically not have your shit look like a rat nest. So when it gets to that rat nest type field, that's when I'm like, okay, it's time to do this. So I'm gonna show you what to do. I look so crazy right now, but basically what I did was I wet my hair and I used some conditioner to detangle it. I went up about like maybe an inch, and I start at the bottom. I use my fake ass, oh, is this a real Demon brush? Oh, I did not know this was a real Demon brush. I use a Demon brush and I go through the hair starting from the bottom, the ends, all the way to the top, and I get out all of the mattingness, all of the knots, all of that. I get all of those things out using water and conditioner and this Demon Brush. That's it. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you now want to braid your hair. So I really like having that natural curl pattern at the end. So I'm not gonna go throughout the lengths of the hair, but it's really up to you. Basically, I take just a piece of the hair and I start braiding. And what happens is you let this dry and it's gonna stretch out the hair so that it's not interweaving into itself at the root, because this is, it's Aliexpress. We're doing the best that we can. So this I found is a great way to help with the matting that happens at the root. You can go as far as you want down the hair strands, but I think for me this is fine. So I'm gonna do it again. Again, taking a nice section of hair. So on this side is gonna be 3. And then I'm just going to braid it. I try and keep it a little bit tight. Guys, it's so hot. It's like Chicago does not know what weather it wants to be right now. And I'm just like,
It's so hot.
for the most optimal results, you gotta let this dry. Don't just braid it for 2 seconds and be like, I'm gone, I'm out the door. Like, no, you wanna let this dry, or what's gonna happen is gonna interweave in itself. And that's what happened to me earlier this week when you saw me. I forgot what I was wearing, but when you saw me in whatever I was wearing, I had not let that dry fully, and that's why I'm where I'm at. So again, not too far down the length of the hair, like right here would be fine. I'm gonna do this side.
Probably do 2 here. Guys, it's so hot, and I know I just said that, but I mean, I'm burning up, and it's like 6 o'clock, so I'm like, what is going on? I was in a sweater literally yesterday, and I'm just like, is it not May? Is it not about to be June? So, yeah, please. I know you have nothing to do with the weather, but I don't know. Okay, so this is where we're at, and then I'm going to do one more. My edges is all out and about and looking crazy because it's so hot, and I did not prep this the way I usually would because of pure lazy-oso. But yeah.
So, okay, that is basically it. And I just clipped here to keep this hair out of the way. I wonder, no, I was like, oh, maybe I can go outside like this, but I'm like, I don't know about that, sis. That might look a little crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep this on my head because I am going out a little bit later. Now, if you want that silky ilky look all over, you're gonna have to detangle and define your curls for your whole head. I don't have the time for that right now. But if I did, I probably would do it. But I just don't really care. But yeah, wherever you find matting, detangling, like even right here, I feel like it's a little matted. It's not anything crazy. But I should have, you know what, fuck it. I might just go back and do right here. I got a little too excited and I just decided to braid not only this side but also this side. So just wanted to give you a heads up. But yeah, you basically braid the areas that are matted. If you got matting going on throughout your whole closure, then you're gonna have to braid your whole closure. And with this, you need to let it dry. If you don't let it dry, it is going to mat up again a lot quicker than if you actually let it dry. I'm gonna insert some pictures of what it looks like so you're not like, oh, how does this work with like this really like, you know, poofed out back and like these really defined like curls in the front. Like, I'll show you how it will look. But that's basically it, guys. So I'm gonna go back to the original clip and, you know, keep on talking your ears off. Let me stop. Not really. But yeah, that's basically it. If this is your first time here, welcome. If this is, you know, your second time here, hey girl, hey. For the 5 of you that keep on coming back, you know, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Like, it's been a very interesting journey for me. And yeah, this will probably be my last hair video for some time. This channel is not really supposed to be like a hair channel. I'm good at hair, but not enough to really give 2 fucks, if that makes sense. So yeah. Did you like, comment, and subscribe? I know people always asking you to do it, but at least like this video, guys. You here at the end, so I know you like this shit. Just give me a like, or just write a comment down below. Let me know what you want to hear, what you want to see, and yeah. Okay, so this is really bye for now.